Hello, my name is Wilma. I am going on the trip in December to Leria, Tolima. There I am going to stay at my parents' house. For this trip, I am going during summer clubs, just for my nephews and my daughter. I am going to invite my wife to accompany me on this trip. We will share with my family. We will go to the river. We will visit the different tourist sites. We will make barbecue. We will go to look at the Christmas lights on December 24th. We will uncover the gifts in family. We will go to church. We will share Christmas dinner. Finally, we will celebrate the Sembrina parties together with my loved ones. To make this trip, I will spend approximately 3 million pesos. When I return from my vacation in Leria, Tolima, I will bring as souvenir a Chiras Tolimenses photos of the different tourist places and most importantly, the affection and love of my family. Thank you very much.